In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can bulk add products or food items or edit them. We will be not doing one by one, but we will be working bulk, okay? So go to plugins and click on add new. Then try to upload the plugin. We already have advanced bulk edit, which is a great plugin that we can use. So I have already downloaded it. Let me try to add it now. Open it and install it. Wait for it to install, and once it's done, we can simply activate it. Alright, so you can see we have only one product or a food item in our shop. Let's try to add multiple food items. So go to your products and you will see advanced bulk edit. Click on it, and now you can add multiple products. First of all, once you enter this page, click on get products. So it will try to get all the product. For example, we have only one product. Now let's try to add multiple. For example, 5 products, and click on add new. So it will add 5 products. Let's change the names like chicken curry, veg biryani, veg samosa, paneer cheese, paneer pakoda. Alright, so these are our titles. You can also add images. Let me show you. Alright, so let's add a custom category like it's a curry. Click on new and add curry. Click on OK. So we have a new category. Veg biryani is a rice. Veg samosa is starter. This is also a starter, as well as this is also a starter. Alright, so now let's change the regular price like $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. Let's make it less. Okay, only these two. You can add description, but let me add it. Best chicken. Okay, so this is our description. Let's save it. Once everything is done, we can go ahead and try to change the status from draft to publish. Alright, so they are now published. So let's save everyone. Click on save changes and everything will be saved. So let's refresh this page and see. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 with the name and description, with the price also. So this was an advanced bulk edit plugin for WooCommerce. Thank you. You can also edit a page, add a page, delete and duplicate. You can do many things with bulk edit option. For example, if you want to change everything to status draft, you can do it. Just save it, and you will see that all of them are in the draft. Right, they are all in the draft. Let's again change it to published. Status publish. Let's change the regular price to $20. Let's increase everyone's regular price and let's save it. You will see that the price have been changed. Alright, the price have been changed, as well as they all have been published. Thank you very much. If you want to filter your products, you can also. For example, we have only 3 starters. Let's try to add only 3. So you will see that only 3 starters are available to edit. So it's a great plugin to edit multiple products at the same time. Thank you.